right, Go Learners, welcome. My name is Mrs. Tavel and I'm a teacher at Gaydon Elementary School. I'm so excited you're here today to talk with me about patterns. We are going to be discussing the Kindergarten Math SOL K.13, where we're going to be able to identify, describe, create, transfer, and extend repeating patterns. Patterns can help you make a prediction about what's going to happen next. Before we get started today, I want you to grab some items in your house that you can make a pattern with. Maybe some Legos, M&Ms, Skittles, little bingo counters that you might have in a game, Play-Doh. All of those things will work. And if you don't have that, you can just use a paper and pencil. I'm going to give you some time to go grab those things. All right, we're going to use those a little bit later, so just go ahead and kind of push them off to the side for right now. First, we're going to check out this pattern that I made right here. What do you notice? Did you notice the colors? I have blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. Do you know what comes next? Pink? Yes, that's right. Let's add our pink. So what we did right here is we had a pattern that repeated over and over again, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. Nice job. We can use colors as an example, or we could use shapes, sizes, movements, or sounds. Something is not a pattern if it doesn't repeat. How can you make a pattern? I'm going to start by drawing a triangle. And this is going to be one section of our pattern. Next, I'm going to make a rectangle. This section right here is called the core. Say it with me. Core. A core is the part of the pattern that repeats over and over and over again, so we can extend it or make it longer. So I have triangle, rectangle. Now I have to go back to my first picture, which is a what? Triangle. Nice. And we're going to write that again. What came after the triangle? What repeated? A rectangle. That's what comes next. Nice job. So you just helped me extend or make my pattern go longer by using our core, our part that repeated. Now, let's give my pattern a name. So when we name a pattern, we could name it triangle, rectangle, just like we did here. Or we could shorten it and make it a little bit smaller by using letters. So I'm going to use the letter A for my triangle and the letter B for my rectangle. So I have an A-B pattern. So if I'm going to repeat it again, I'm going to go back to A and it matches my triangle. And then I'm going to do my B, which matches my rectangle. So I named my pattern A-B. We could also make a pattern more challenging and name it in the same way, like we did right here with A, B. So let's look at something a little bit more challenging and see if we can make an A, B, B, C pattern. Before we get started, what do you notice about my letters? That's right, the B shows up twice. So that means we're going to do that thing twice. It's going to show up 2 times in a row. All right, this one, we're going to use some movement and sound. So stand up with me. Yep, stand up nice and tall. So we have an A, B, B, C pattern. And for our A, we're going to jump. So let's practice that jump. That's our A. Our B is going to stand for a clap. Clap with me. Now notice I have two B's. So when I do this, I'm going to do 2 claps. 1, 2. Then I have my C. For my C, let's snap. So our pattern is going to be jump, clap, clap, snap. Try it with me. You ready? Jump, clap, clap, snap. You guys are doing so good. All right, this time we're going to repeat our pattern. We're going to do it twice. So we're going to take our core and do it 2 times. You ready? Clap. Oops. Uh-oh. Clap was B. What do I need to start with? A. A was our jump. So we're going to do a jump, clap, clap, snap. All right, let's try it again. Ready? Jump, clap, clap, snap. We did our core. Let's repeat it. Jump, clap, clap, snap. All right, we're going to do it again together one more time. Jump, clap, clap, snap. That was amazing, guys. That was an A, B, B, C pattern, and we transferred it. We took this name and these letters, and we turned it into our motions and our sounds. You guys are rocking it today. I'm having so much fun with you. Let's try one more together. What do you see? You see the colors? So you see red, blue, red, blue, red. Nice job. Does anybody notice anything different? The height, how tall or short it is? That's right, we have tall, short, tall, short. And each of these, it looks like there's little boxes. So our red, let's count the boxes together. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 boxes. How many boxes do we have with our blue? 1. That's right. All right. Next, we have our red again. Let's see if it has the same number of boxes as our first one. 3. 1, 2, 3. It does. And our blue has 1. We just took our pattern and turned it into a number pattern. So we had 3, 1, 3, 1, and our core was that 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So we have a 3. And then for our last box, what are we going to have? How many are we going to have? How many cubes do I need? 1! Yes, kiss your brain. Good thinking. We have 1 cube. So we just extended or made our pattern longer by looking at our core and noticing what comes next. You guys have done an awesome, awesome job. The next thing that we're going to do is it's time for you to make your own pattern. Remember those items I told you to take out at the beginning, like Skittles or paper or pencil? We're going to use those items to make a pattern. And I want you to describe your pattern. So tell me what it looks like. Then I want you to name your pattern using either maybe numbers or letters like we did in our other one. And then I want you to show me how we can extend it, how we can make our pattern longer. So to do this, I want you to grab maybe a parent or an older sibling and grab your items, and I want you to record yourself talking through how you made your pattern, how you named your pattern, and then I want you to show us how we can make it even longer by extending it. And then I want you to go to flipgrid.com/mypattern to post it so I can see you and all of your patterns, And you can see what the other learners in the county have been doing too. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and I can't wait to see all your exciting patterns. Have a good day.